Why, hello there. Today we look at the premier Blancpain 50 Fathoms reference number 5010 in titanium and rose gold. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Dive watches are ubiquitous in today's watch world, yet it seems the very first one of the kind is rarely on the mind of watch enthusiasts. Or even worse, there are some who think it was Rolex who invented the dive watch as we know it. The truth is, it was an invention by Jean-Jacques Fichter from Blancpain. The patents from the early 50s involved the sealing of the case and the crown. A timing bezel was also part of the 50 Fathoms design, albeit not yet unidirectional. The 20th century 50 Fathoms was a tool watch, inspired and often used by the military. The contemporary revival, relaunched in 2003, is all about merging this tradition with luxury and high horology. The changes involved more than mere adaptation of the old design to today's standards, by using applied numerals and indices, rather than just printed ones. You could have found an old 50 Fathoms on a wrist of a scuba diving enthusiast from Antibes, or a Marine Nationale combat diver. Today, the new one will be worn by a proud owner of a yacht anchored off Côte d'Azur. Make no mistake, it is still a perfectly capable tool watch, but it now goes better with a sport jacket than combat fatigues. And now Blancpain introduces its reference number 5010 in titanium and rose gold, with black and blue sunburst dials. There's a titanium bracelet as an option, but not a gold one. At HHN, we guess it would be too heavy to swim safely in it. But seriously, the current 50 Fathoms is 42 millimeters in diameter, but only 47 lug to lug, making it big but perfectly wearable. Just not for every pocket. However, there's a reason for this price. It's a product of a company that soon will be 300 years on the market. Established in the year 1735, let that sink in. The movement is hand-finished, and what a movement it is. 3 barrels provide not only the 5 days of power reserve, but also high torque to stabilize its work against shock. Yes, it looks like a piece of art, but it will keep ticking even when the owner might pass out. Confirm or deny, cool guys might long for a Rolex, but the classy ones aim for Blancpain. I know exactly where I'm standing, too poor for either of those. But do let us know in the comments if you are Team Rolex or Team Blancpain. This will be fun. No joke, comments feed the YouTube algorithm. This way you can help HHN grow. Thank you for reaching the deep end with us, from the bottom of our hearts. Those cheesy end jokes are becoming the new norm around here, aren't those?